YouTubers. Hey, we're going to do a video on how to make a wooden spoon on your CNC. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, here we are. We are going to create a spoon. We're going to start a new project. And it's going to be double-sided. The width is going to be 6 inches. The height is 24. The thickness is 0.75. This is in inches. The Z is at the material surface. The datum position is in the lower left-hand corner. And when we flip this, it's going to be from the left side to the right. And it's going to be standard resolution. Canadian maple, that's fine. We'll say OK. And let's see, the first thing we're going to do is we're drawing a circle. It's 0.25 inches. We're going to create that. Going to close. Now we're going to highlight that. And I want that down further, right about there. And we're going to center that. Okay. We're going to raise that up just a little bit more. Okay, we're going to center this side to side. Okay, these are going to be for dowels, or this is going to keep your spoon centered when you flip it from the left side to the right side. Okay, so while we're right here, we'll drill this too. This is going to be start at 0, and we're going to cut it down to 1 inch. Okay, the tool is an end mill, an 0.25, and just it's 21% step over. Okay, and we're going to select these. And we're going to calculate, and this is going to tell us that we're going to go through into our spoil board, and that's exactly what we want to do. Okay, so we're done with that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select this, and we're going to offset this. And it's going to be inwards, and it's going to be 8. Okay. Now we're going to select this. We'll close this first though. We're going to select that. We're going to come back here again, and I believe it's 7, and this is going to be outwards 7. Okay, now we're going to select that. It's already selected. We're going to go to the modeling tab. We're going to go to the create shape tool. We're going to choose this right here, the top left. the shape profile. It's going to be at 20 degrees. The base height is 0.6. We're going to scale it to the exact height, 0.6. And here we're going to subtract. And we're going to call this bowl. We're going to apply. There's our bowl. We're going to close that and approve our work here. We can check this in the modeling tab. Okay, good. Because that was incorrect. We wanted it 0.6. We'll close that. We're going to come over here and we're going to do a finish toolpath. It's of all knowns 0125 and it's 8% step over. And selected vectors. It's going to be a raster. And we'll just leave the rest of it the way it is. Reset the preview. Preview all toolpaths. And there we have our bowl. Okay, we're going to go back to the 2D view. And we are going to select the molding toolpath. And you have to select a drive rail. And we're going to go gap below. This is going to be in the negative. This is the ball nose, 0.25 diameter. It's 10% step over. Everything else is blank. And what we're going to do is we're going to select this and we're going to select our component for the drive. We're going to calculate, reset the preview, preview all toolpaths, and there we have the front side. Okay, now we're going to go to the back side, but before we do, we need to select that. We're going to copy to other side. There we go. And it's all lined up for us and everything. Over here, we're going to select this and we're going to offset inwards and it's going to be 3. And there we have our offset. Close. Okay, we're going to select the offset like it is. And we're going to select this right here. Oh, I got ahead of myself here. Better select the molding toolpath. Gap below the ball nose. Same as the other one. and select our inner rail. There we are. Okay, and what we need to do is select the profile toolpath, and it's going to be an end mill 025 with a 50% step over. It's going to be outside to the right. It's going to be conventional. We're not going to add the tabs at this time, and I'll show you why. We calculate. It's telling me we have an open vector. But we're good. Okay. And okay, here's our spoon that we went over once before. And there's our drill holes, one each, and we put a 1/4 inch dowel in there, or I actually have a metal insert that I use. But this is to center your project so that when you flip it from one side to the next, the front to the back, it will line up correctly. And we chose our dish. I showed you how to make the dish for the bowl for the spoon. And we find that in our modeling tab under bowl. It's set to subtract. The shape height is 0.6. We've already set up our toolpath. The finish, 3D finishes for the bowl, and then the drill for here. The sweep profile is our finish in here. And that was side 1. Side 2, our profile cut is the route we take to cut it out, and sweep profile is where we followed the molding toolpath, and our gap is below, and our ball nose, the 025, is set for I think 8%. And when you do that, you select the drive rail, and then you select the profile that you're going to extrude. And of course, then you can calculate and you'd be done. Of course, we're already done, so actually we can run this whole thing. Preview all sides. There, that we get to look at it. And that was the back side. And there's the front side. Now getting back to the profile, I didn't, because I wanted to be able to rotate that and have the wood away from it. You can't do that when you have tabs, but it's easy to add the tabs to this. And we can do that right here. Add the tabs, 3D tabs, the length, 1/2 inch, thickness, edit the tabs. Now it allows you to place these tabs where you want them. And just like this. There's one there. One there. One there. And I don't think you need many down here. We'll put one on each side. Okay, there's our tabs. That's what's going to hold the spoon down. And let's see. Constant number. We've already set our own, so we'll just close and calculate. There we go. Now it shows our tabs now. So there you have it, the spoon.
Okay, YouTubers, that concludes the spoon, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't, and look, if you really enjoyed it, subscribe. And there'll be more coming your way. Thanks a lot for watching.